next week decides everything. Your survival or your collapse. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research.
This is CoinPicker, fully, where global markets meet clear, powerful insights. This year broke many traders, but December breaks them differently.
You entered 2024 with hope, but you're ending it with exhaustion. You fought every pullback, but every pullback took something from you. You lost money, yes, but you lost confidence even more. December feels different because losses feel heavier in cold nights.
You wonder why you can't stop, even when you know you should.
Because you didn't trade the market, you traded your emotions. And emotions always collect their debt before Christmas. Well, you tried to fix your trading by trading more.
But the market doesn't reward effort. It rewards discipline. You thought December would save you, but it exposed you.
You chased setups because you were chasing redemption. But markets don't care about redemption. Only risk. And your risk was bleeding all year long.
But tonight, we face the truth you avoided all year. You didn't lose because of strategy. You lost because of emotions. Every time you chased the market, you were running from yourself.
You didn't enter trades. You entered emotional reactions. And reactions are the fastest way to destroy capital.
You knew the setup was weak, but you entered anyway. That wasn't confidence. That was denial wearing confidence's mask.
You didn't want to win, you wanted revenge.
And revenge trading always ends in December disasters.
You tried to fix losses with more risk. That's how accounts vanish. You weren't trading charts, you were trading your fears.
And fear always chooses the worst entries at the worst time.
You didn't wait for confirmation, because patience feels painful.
Pain pushed you into trades, not logic.
And when December came, your mind was already exhausted. Exhausted minds don't trade markets. They surrender to them.
December markets look calm, but liquidity is dangerously thin.
Thin liquidity means one thing: bigger traps, faster losses. People think December is quiet, but it is the quiet before impact. Big players step back, leaving retail exposed to whipsaws. You think it's a breakout, but it's just December volatility.
It's not a drawer. And when liquidity dries, the market becomes unpredictable. Add the Fed into the mix, and December becomes lethal. When the dollar weakens, gold jumps. But it's never that simple. Because December gold moves are often emotional, not logical. Traders rush in, thinking it's the last chance of the year.
But opportunities in December are usually disguised as traps. The market looks slow until it suddenly isn't.
That's when retail panic creates December chaos. And chaos is where most year-end accounts die. But the truth is simple. December doesn't kill traders. Decisions do. December isn't a month to win big. It's a month to survive. Survival is not weakness, it's strategic patience. Because the market punishes aggression when liquidity is gone. You don't need a December hero trade. You need December discipline. Because discipline protects what matters most, your capital. Capital is the oxygen of your 2025. Without it, nothing starts. This is why December is defensive, not aggressive.
Defensive traders survive. Aggressive traders bleed.
Lower leverage. Lower expectations. Higher awareness. End-of-year markets reward clarity, not desperation. And desperation is the emotion that destroys December traders.
You don't need more trades, you need more restraint. Restraint feels painful, but it preserves your future.
Survival isn't passive, it's intentional protection of everything you built.
In December, smart traders defend first and attack only with clarity. Rebuilding starts when the noise fades and reflection begins. To rebuild, you don't need new strategies. You need new awareness.
Awareness grows when you accept every mistake. Eat without excuses. Mistakes don't define your future. Your response to them does. The traders who rise aren't the smartest. They're the most adaptable. 2025 won't reward perfection. It will reward patience. Patience starts with fewer trades and stronger conviction. Conviction only comes when your plan is real, not reactive. So first, rebuild your plan before you rebuild your account.
Clarity isn't found in charts. It's found in calm minds. And calm minds craft powerful decisions.
Your biggest edge in 2025 will be emotional clarity. Because clarity turns fear into calculated action. And calculated action turns chaos into opportunity. This is how your 2025 begins. Not with luck, but transformation. In the end, markets don't choose who wins. You do. Every painful loss you survived, becomes your 2025 advantage. Every mistake, every fear, forget the trader you're becoming. And now, you enter 2025 not as a survivor, but as a contender. Your cycle begins now. Rewrite your story before the market does. Stay ahead of the market. Subscribe now and follow CoinPicker for the latest insights.